What's up everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to another TR7 tutorial. Today we're going to be taking it onto the transition. We're going to be learning how to rock and roll. First things first, what a rock and roll is. You're going to be coming up forwards, board rocks over the coping, and then you're going to turn out of it like a kick turn round and down. So tricks that would definitely help is rock to fakies and kick turns. If you can do both of those, you should find this one nice and easy. We're going to have your back foot right on the tail, toes over the edge so that you're ready to scoop it round with the turn. Front foot right up on those bolts at the front. So you've got a nice wide stance and you can really control that board to do whatever you want. Stage one of our rock and roll is getting just the right speed to get that board halfway onto the coping. Because it's going to allow the trucks to come up and over on the way out, and it means you're not going to get stuck on the top on the coping. You want to try and come up the ramp nice and straight. If you come up nice and straight, you're going to be able to come out nice and straight and you're not going to slip out to the side at all. Obviously you can do a rock and roll slide where you come in with a bit of angle, but for learning it, we want to come in nice and straight. Straight as an arrow. Straight as a ruler. Straight down the line. Just Stage two. Once we're up and we're on that middle ground, right in the middle of the board, you're going to be stood up here, and I want you to be thinking about having all your weight in the ramp. So instead of ending up all the way up on the top like this and then trying to turn, I want you to keep your shoulders back all the way around like this, at least halfway of your turn. Because if you've got your shoulders halfway around, it's going to be so much easier to get the board to come all the way around like you want. Into the middle, shoulders round, then you can come back out. We want your head to be looking right back in the direction you're going to be going. Because wherever the head is facing, the legs, shoulders, everything's going to want to follow. So the last bit is lifting those wheels on the way out. If your head, shoulders and everything are facing around this way, it's going to be a lot easier to bring it round, but we're just digging into this corner of the board where your toes are, lifting the board over the coping and turning it all the way around into the ramp. But best thing to do, if you're feeling unbalanced on the way out, use those knees, bend them in, take the impact out, and you'll be doing this trick in no time. Obviously it's best to start on a smaller quarter, but once you've landed one, try take it to lots of different quarters. Take it to a bigger one, or an even bigger one, or a steeper one. Try sliding it. You can do all kinds of different ones with the rock and roll. It's just about giving it a go on different obstacles. That's today's rock and roll tutorial. Hope this video helped you to learn them. If you've got any other tricks that you want us to do, just put them in the comments and we'll try and get a tutorial done just for you. Until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe. Lots of love.